Welcome to the legal consulting program of TLK Law Firm in Hanoi, Vietnam. First, let's learn together what is a parent company and what is a subsidiary. Unlike branches and representative office of foreign companies, the parent company and subsidiary are two independent entities with their own legal status. However, the parent company has certain economic benefits over the subsidiary, depending on the legal type of subsidiary. The parent company exercises its rights and obligations as a member, owner, or shareholder in relation to the subsidiary. The parent company has the right to influence the decisions of its subsidiary in many ways. Pursuant to Article 195 of the Enterprise Law 2020, a company is considered the parent company in another company if it falls into one of the following cases. 1. Own more than 50% of the charter capital or total common shares of that company. 2. Have the right to directly or indirectly decide to appoint a majority or all members of the board of directors, director, or general director of that company. 3. Has the right to decide on amendments and supplement to the charter of that company. The parent company has economic interests tied to it, so it has the right to influence the decisions of the subsidiary. The implementations of the rights and obligations of the parent company as a member, owner, or shareholder depends on the legal type of the subsidiary according to the provisions of the Enterprise Law 2020 and other relevant regulations. So, what are the conditions for foreign companies to establish subsidiary in Vietnam? Pursuant to the Investment Law 2020, foreign companies are allowed to establish subsidiaries in Vietnam as a form of investment to establish economic organizations according to the provisions of investment law. Foreign companies must meet the following conditions. 1. Carry out procedures to apply for an investment registration certificate. 2. Meet market access conditions such as charter capital ownership ratio of foreign investor in economic organizations, investment form, scope of operations, Vietnamese partners participating in implementing activities, investment activities. 3. Met other conditions according to the provisions of international treaties to which the Socialist Republic of Vietnam is a member. What procedures do foreign businesses need when establishing a subsidiary in Vietnam? Step 1. Procedures for the parent company to apply for investment registration certificate. Document requesting project implementations. Investment project proposal. Documents approving financial capacity with confirmations of investment bank account balance according to declared charter capital or financial report. Explanations meet the conditions. Establishment decisions. Certificate of land using rights, house rental contracts, copy of foreign company business registrations, charter of foreign companies, investors' representatives' passports. Step 2. Procedures for applying for a business registration certificate. Documents to establish a subsidiary of a foreign enterprise include decisions, minutes, applications for establishing registrations, notifications of subsidiary establishment, draft of company's charter, document confirming legal capital in case the company chooses a business line that requires legal capital according to the provisions of law. Members list, certified copy of ID card, passports of members of the parent company, operation certificates of company members and other individuals if required. Step 3. Procedures for engraving the subsidiary legal seal. After receiving the business registration certificate, the subsidiary needs to carry out procedures engraving the legal entity seal and posting the seal. This procedure can be performed in 2 to 3 working days. In addition, the subsidiaries also need to do the following things as the business registrations according to regulations to conduct valid business. Thus, foreign companies are allowed to establish subsidiaries in Vietnam. This is a form of investment in establishing economic organizations according to the provisions of law on investment. Foreign companies need to meet the following conditions. Investment registration certificate has been granted. Meet market access conditions. Meet other conditions according to the provisions of international treaties to which the Socialist Republic of Vietnam is a member to establish a subsidiary in Vietnam. With the current market opening mechanism, the state encourages foreign investors to invest in Vietnam in many different forms. Under the steady development of the economy, Vietnam has become one of the top choice of foreign investors when they have business needs. We hope to meet you in our beautiful land one day. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below this video or contact TLK today for more details and to receive the best support from us. And also, if you find our videos useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to update the latest legal knowledge in Vietnam. Goodbye and see you again.